Okay, so as I was saying, this is a continuation now. So this how the form actually looks like. Yeah, so this how I just did my form. It wasn't too complicated. So once they come in, they'll just see enter your name and phone number. I use the phone number so I can call them and remind them in case they didn't come to my WhatsApp. So after that, they'll now press the get access button. So you guys can just copy this exact same thing and use it. If you are using selling another product, you can just edit it and sell it like that. So next step is just to publish it. So very simple stuff. If you are selling other products, you know how to arrange your this thing, your campaign, and target your audience. You see the way I targeted my audience. I don't know where I can. The way I targeted my audience, this was their interest. Make sure that I engage shoppers. So that means they have clicked on shop button before. They are freelancers, tech people. Just it's very simple. Just think about what the kind of people that will buy it, their age. Just think about that. Or you can go over to ChatGPT because that's what I use most times to generate ideas. You can see if you look here, you see in my past listing, see I'm running a Facebook ad with an instant form on my ads manager dashboard. It says for lead. Okay, this is where I was asking how can I find my leads? Where the leads are submitted, the form, where can I find them? So I asked it and it showed me. So you just go to chat.openai.com and it will be very easy for you to get ideas and stuff like that. So this is the targeting that I was talking about. I want to show you guys how I crafted. See, I want to do a Facebook video to sell a course that teach people how to resell 50 plus hacks and make money from it by reselling. Please suggest a good target audience that I can use with my ad budget of 1,000. Also suggest a placement for it. So it suggested the target audience for me, it suggested the interest. So I just had to copy it and paste it with some editing. So remember, I also asked it where can I find my leads. Most of you guys, if you start running these ads with your instant form, some people will submit it and Facebook will show you that you have gotten 10 leads, but you will not be able to see it. If you click on it, you can't see your leads. So where you go to is actually business suits. See where I clicked here. Here, this all tools, then you go to business suits or you go to business.facebook.com. So once you're in your business suite, click on this all tools here. Don't worry, on your phone is the same thing but it's just smaller. So you now search leads. So you have to do this within 48 hours or your leads will disappear. So you see raw leads. So these are all of them. So if I made sure to call all of them and remind them about it because I don't want to lose my money for ads. So these are number here. I can message them and call them, each and every one of them. So that's basically how to follow up. If you want to sell other products, it's basically the same process. And once people start seeing your ad, they'll click on it, message you, start making money from it. It's very simple. You see, this is not a referral business or anything that you have to stress yourself for like that. It's just you taking about 1 hour or 45 minutes setting up an advertisement that will be paying you money weekly, I even say weekly, daily basis. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, if I have any tips, I'll drop in them next video or in the group.